In this tutorial, I'll show you how to randomly scale instance meshes while using Blender's geometry nodes. This is how the mesh would look like at the end of the tutorial. Let's create a UV sphere and go to Geometry Nodes. I'll add instance on points, realize instances, and random value. If you want to smooth the instanced mesh, or subdivide them, it's better to do it before using geometry nodes. I'll recreate the mesh, and start from a smooth sphere. Here are the full nodes. If we want to add a material, we must create one first and use the Set Material node like this. Let's create a background plane, and use the sky texture as the scene's background light. If we duplicate this mesh, the material detail is going to be duplicated as well. If we were to assign unique materials, we must make not only the material unique, but the geometry nodes as well. I'll show you what I mean. Just the way we have made the material unique, unless we make the nodes unique, the same material is going to be applied like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.